Listen, I know it hurts. When a man you trusted betrays you, it's not just the end of a relationship. It feels like a piece of you has broken. And I want you to hear this, don't run from that pain. Psychologists say betrayal triggers the same part of the brain as physical pain. That's why it feels so heavy. So please, give yourself permission to feel it. If you need to cry, cry. Write it down. This isn't weakness, it's the first step to healing. Now, about revenge, I get it. You probably think, he hurt me, I can't just let this go. But here's the truth, revenge keeps you tied to him. You want freedom, right? Then put your energy into understanding and growth. Ask yourself, what did I learn from this? How will I protect my heart next time? And remember, his betrayal does not lower your worth. What he did speaks about his character, not yours. You are still worthy of trust, of love, and of respect. One more thing, don't isolate yourself. I know it's hard to open up, but when you share what you're going through, your brain actually starts releasing the stress it's holding. And you'll be surprised, there are people who will stand with you. Finally, create a new vision for yourself. The plans you had with him? Leave them. Set small new goals, learn something new, travel somewhere, redecorate your space. Small steps will start bringing back your energy. Remember, this chapter might be over, but your story isn't. You are not broken, you are becoming, and one day, you'll look back and say, thank you for leaving, because you made me stronger. Remember, your worth is never defined by someone else's actions. What's the first step you'll take today to heal? Your story doesn't end here. Tell me, what's the next chapter you want to write for yourself?